My artboard width size is 1920 pixels and height 1080 pixels. Document color mode RGB color. First grab ellipse tool and pressing shift key draw a circle like this. Now in the swatches panel. If you couldn't see the swatches panel, go to Window, then click Swatches. Change the fill color to none and stroke to black. Now go to Window, then click Stroke. Change the stroke weight to 50. Click Align Stroke to Inside. I am changing the size of the circle and align it to center of the artboard. Change the stroke weight to 50. Now go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Offset value 50. Click OK. Continue the same step for another 5 times. Now select the last one and change the color to red. You can type this code to get this color. Change the second circle to orange color. Change the third circle to yellow color. Change the fourth circle to green color. Change the fifth circle to light blue color. Change the sixth circle to dark blue color. Change the seventh one to purple color. Select all the circles and right-click, Group. Now pick Direct Selection tool and select half of the circle. Now press Delete. Now I am going to draw clouds. Pick Ellipse tool and pressing Shift key draw a circle like this. Change the stroke color to none and fill to light blue. Pressing Shift key I am resizing the circle like this. Now pressing Alt key and drag the circle to take a duplicates of the circle. I am placing the circles like this. Now select all the circles and go to Pathfinder palette. If you couldn't see the Pathfinder palette, go to Window, then click Pathfinder. Now select all the circles and click Unite in the Pathfinder palette. I am placing the cloud right here. Now go to Window, select Gradient. Select Cloud and click on the Gradient slider. Now double-click on this point and change colors to RGB. Change red value to 0. Now click outside. Again double-click on this point and change colors to RGB. Change blue value to 255. Now select Reverse Gradient. OK. Go to Window, select 3D and Materials. Select Object. Inflate. Change depth value to 0. Change gradient type to radial. Now select Render Settings. On Ray Tracing. Quality to low and click Render. Great! Now select this rainbow and right-click Ungroup. Select Red Color Object. Click Inflate. Change volume to 80. Do the same thing to other objects. On Ray Tracing and Render. Wonderful! Now I am taking some duplicates from this cloud. OK. Pressing Shift key select these two clouds. Right-click, Arrange, Send to Back. Now draw a rectangle like this. Right-click, Arrange, Send to Back. Change the gradient colors like this. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.